I think I have succeeded. There's the old steering link right there. And it was really sloppy in that bushing. And once again, there's the greased up tools, a whole pile of them, that was required to put this thing on. And here's the vehicle, 53 Chevrolet 4-door. This is the basic one. I guess it's called a 210. I've got two of these. Both of mine are Bel Airs. But now we go down below. And right there is where it mounts. Two bolts on the bottom and one bolt right on the top. And then I had to square up the linkage to the steering gear so I could center the steering wheel. And then I did alignment by simply sighting down the wheels. You can see if you match the sidewalls with the sidewalls on the back tire. Well, that's called alignment. And I got it pretty damn close. So I think I'm done, ready for a test drive.